What's going on, everybody? This is your boy Kareem Saunders, aka the T-shirt Professor. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I made this shirt, the 2-layer design, and there's also a 2-color design. So stay tuned and I will show you exactly how I did it. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do, we're going to take the shirt, we're going to take this gray shirt, gray headed shirt, and we're going to get the moisture out. And you already know how we're going to do that. So we're going to take this, we're going to press it up for like 5 seconds. Alright, so there we go. So we got the surface prepped, ready for the vinyl to go on. And we're going to go ahead and line up the first layer, and which is going to be this red layer. 100% certified layer. We're going to go ahead and lay that first. So pretty much what we're going to do is we're going to do we're going to tack it down. So I'm going to take this, I'm going to line it up to where I want it to be at on the shirt. We're going to tack it down for like 2 seconds or so, 2 or 3 seconds, just to get it in place. Then we're going to peel off the backing, and then we're going to do the second layer, which is the white layer. So here we go. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and lay our first layer down. We're going to go ahead and tack it real quick. Here we go. Alright, so we got the first layer. Then we're going to take the second layer, which is the white part, which is the self. And the way the design is set up, the self is supposed to lay right over top of some of the red in the certified box. Okay. All right. So we're going to lay that there, and then what I'm going to do is take the backing from the first layer that's kind of like a protective sheet. All right. So I'm going to lay. So I laid the second layer down, and I'm going to lay this over top of everything else so that the exposed vinyl won't get messed up. And I'm just going to tack it down. So now they're both tacked down, they're both in place. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to press it again for the full 15 seconds to get that vinyl, fully adhered to the shirt. So I'm going to use this again for the backing. I'm just going to cover the whole thing and lay it down and press it for the full 15 seconds. And there you have it. There you go. 100% self-certified, baby. And that's how you do that. So that's going to be the multi-layer t-shirt. We got the black, we got the gray shirt, the gray heather ash kind of shirt with the red and white design. There you go, 100% self-certified. All right, so that's how you do that. This has been another video from yours truly, the T-shirt Professor, showing you guys how it was done with the 2-layer design. If you like it, share it, comment. Make sure you hit that subscribe button down here, and that way you won't miss any tutorials, any videos. You won't miss a thing. Anytime I do a video, you'll be the first one to get notified. So just hit me up. Just let me know what other kind of videos you'd like to see in the future, and we'll go ahead and make it happen for you. All right. So until then, happy T-shirt printing, guys. Peace.